Alright, good day my good YouTubers. Just giving an update on how far I've reached with the gearbox installation. Come on, right. Let me just get a light. Okay. Now, what has happened is the Lancer gearbox cables are a little too short. So I had to kind of wire them in there, so to speak, with binding wire and zip tie, because I'm not getting the gears to select properly. So I set them up out here where I could get neutral. Let's tie this somewhere. Right. Set it up so I can get neutral on the outside here. And to get neutral, you will know by that's neutral right there. Right, so I set up the cables to the best that I could get neutral at, and what I've realized is that the shifter will have to come. These are the cables here. The shifter, which is this, will have to go up more to work. So I'll just give a demonstration. Right, so these are the original bolt holes. Let's put these to the side. Right, this is the original setup. Right, mounting setup. Right, but it can't, those mounting setup cannot be used because the cable will end up being too short. Right, the cables will be too short, so they wouldn't be able to clip in on the holder. Get that fit a little clearer. Right, they wouldn't come up to reach. Right, so what I've had to do is carry up the shifter a little more. Come on. Just want to show you guys what I had to do, because a gallant shifter is mighty hard. Mighty hard to find. If you get one, it'll most likely come out of a VR4, but in Trinidad and Tobago apparently we didn't have much manual GDIs, so it's hard to get any from a scrap vehicle. Right, so I'm about to do the hookup because I'm trying to achieve neutral in here. I must not have to move the stick any way from neutral when trying to attach. So for instance, forgive me, but I don't have nobody to help me with the camera.